Hi, I'm Shane from Quick Attach. Today I'm going to go over the features and benefits of our Boar Pig Earth Auger. To start with, I'd like to go over the real heart of any earth auger, and that is the drive head. The drive head, it contains the planetary gearbox and the hydraulic motor that drives it. Here you'll notice that our drive head is two-piece construction. The lower portion is the planetary drive gearbox, and the upper is the housing which contains the hydraulic motor. You'll notice right away that our housing is built differently than other earth augers on the market. We have chosen to make this housing a one-piece casting. The reason we do that is because it's a more efficient shape, it's smaller and fits better in the hole, and it's also stronger. The reason earth augers use a planetary gearbox is because they give such a large gear reduction. What we're doing here is turning the high-speed, low-torque hydraulic motor into a low-speed, high-torque output. This earth auger provides up to 3,300 foot-pounds of torque and is rated for 10 to 25 gallons per minute. So I want to zoom in here a little bit and show you how the frame is constructed. You'll notice right away that we're using massive 3 by 4 inch rectangular tubing, which spans the full width of the mounting plate and is where the mounting plate of the skid steer is fixed to. That is welded directly to 3/4 inch plate steel that ties from the top to the bottom. We have a bolt-on cradle here for when you carry the earth auger, you can carry it driving to the work site. We also have a cast knuckle here using 1.25 inch pins, and the reason you want to have a knuckle on your earth auger is so that the drive head self-centers over the hole when you're using it. Our earth augers are available both in 2 9/16 round or 2-inch hex output shafts. So we offer 3 different types of bits for our earth auger. We have the tree bit, the heavy-duty dirt bit, and the rock style bit. The tree bit has a unique shape. It has a smaller diameter flighting at the tip and larger at the top. That's going to give you a tapered hole, which is ideal for planting tree root balls. In the middle here, we have our heavy-duty dirt bit. This is the most common style of bit you'll see in use. You'll notice right away that our bits are constructed a little different than others on the market. We've used a lot of cast pieces for strength. The cutting teeth here on the edge of the auger flighting, they are inserted directly into a cast head, which is then welded to the center pipe. Our heavy-duty earth auger bit uses 5/16 inch thick flighting, and we're using 2 separate flights for the construction of this earth auger bit. The reason we do that is A, it makes for a stronger bit, but also with dual flighting, you can carry more dirt out of the hole, so it makes it more productive. On the end of the bit, we have a cast tri-tip. This has 3 different flutes on it for efficient digging and is replaceable. The third bit we offer is the rock bit. This is used in the toughest digging conditions. It's equipped with carbide tip bullet teeth. They're mounted in holders that allow them to rotate so that they wear evenly. It also has thicker 3/4 inch flighting at the end of the bit where you're doing the most work. You'll notice that the flighting even has hard surface welding on the perimeter where it's rubbing against the hole. Okay, so we got the Boar Pig hooked up here. We're gonna drill a hole. I'll kind of walk you through how this all works. So I got a location picked out. Gonna raise the head. Make sure we get the drive head to dangle so it's not supported by the cradle on the frame anymore. Find the point. Center up, turn on the hydraulics. Now, as it drills, you're going to slowly lower the boom arms. Watch as it digs, make sure it doesn't stall out. We're going to dig until we think we can't dig anymore. Pretty much we're going to sink this right to the hilt here. Sometimes you got to move forward a little bit. We have vertical lift booms on this skid steer, so that helps. I'm going to stop. Now I'm going to pull it straight out of the hole. You'll see that the dirt is contained on the double spiral flighting. Now you simply just have to turn to the side and shake it off a little bit. Hole is drilled. We're going to drill a second hole here. So we've located the placement. We're going to drop the tip right on top of it. Turn the hydraulics on. Slowly lower the boom as it drills. Just let it eat. Don't force it. You don't want it to stall. It's doing the work. The teeth are doing the work here. It's doing the digging. It's doing the augering. Once we get all the flighting in, we're going to stop the hydraulics. Gently lift it out of the hole. You'll see the dirt is contained on the spiral flighting. Turn to the side. And then let's shake it off. Simple as that. Okay, so we just got done drilling our third hole. I wanted to point out a few key facts here. One is, you'll notice that I was able to drill deeper than our 4-foot bit because our auger drive head is actually smaller diameter than the bit. So that gives you maybe an extra foot or more of drilling depth, which comes in very handy sometimes. This view also illustrates the massive dirt holding capability of our dual flight auger bit. You can see that I was able to take all this dirt out of the hole in one shot, and that makes you very efficient at digging holes. Check back often as we make more videos just like this. And as always, give us a call or check out our website if you have any questions.